happened to that boy?
Hi everybody, it is Chastity Elise. I am back for another video. So today I am going to be putting on my first set of nails, and it's the Rebecca Minkoff. Okay, it's going to be the Rebecca Minkoff press-on nails. So I've kind of set up so that you all can see me put them on, and I feel like it's going to be super simple. So it just says clean with enclosed prep pad, and then peel off and then press on. They have, okay, so they already have this alcohol prep pad, which they said to use this to clean off your nails. So I'm gonna use the prep pad in here, and I'm gonna use that to wipe my nails off. And then they've got like this little manicure stick, which I am not using because, knowing me, I will cut my fingers and I'll be sitting up here bleeding. So I'm not gonna do that to myself. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe all of my nails clean. And then we're gonna go through and then we're gonna try to match up these nails with my own personal ones and put them on. Feels like I'm at a doctor's office. Smells like it anyway. I'm so goofy, man. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And so y'all see the tab? There it is. So that's the tab right here. So it needs to line up on your nail like that. All right, so there's my first nail right there. Yeah, keep going. That's cute. Look at that. So my first hand's done. Look at that. Whoop. So I'm gonna do my other hand and then I'm gonna be done. I'm officially done with my nails. Check that out.
What happened to that boy? What happened to that boy?
So this is what my nails look like. And then as a matter of fact, I'm gonna get my and that literally took no time to do. No time at all. Now, as far as hand washing, I'm not sure how it's gonna go because I wash my hands a lot. So this will definitely be a good test to see how they hold up, you know? I'm constantly washing my hands. I don't normally do a lot of cooking anyway, but when I cook, I wash my hands a lot. So that is good news that I don't have to do much cooking. So very little cooking, very little hand washing. Well, I won't say very little hand washing. I still very much wash my hands, especially with coronavirus and I mean just germs and things like that, period. You know, it's just good to practice good hygiene. So I do wash my hands, but I don't wash my hands nearly as much when I'm not cooking. But I don't have to be obsessive with my hand washing is like what I'm trying to get at. I don't have to be obsessive about it. And you know, hopefully you go out and buy some of these. You know, if you're one of those people that you like manicures and things like that, you know, and with the way that things are right now with the economy and everything else, and you know, people losing their jobs, I know of course like getting their nails done is probably like one of the furthest things from their minds. But if you thought about getting your nails done and, you know, with the pandemic, you don't necessarily feel like the risk is worth the reward of you like going into a nail shop and potentially getting sick. You know, this is always an option, doing press-on nails and nail wraps and stuff like that. But I am going to wear these press-on nails as long as I can, and I guess I'll report back to you all probably next week this time, and we'll see what my nails are. I know some people have reported like press-on nails coming off, different things like that. So if it comes off, I ain't putting it back on. And I'm not, as you all know, I'm sure you all know by now, I hope that you all know by now, like, I am not faking for anybody. I am going to give you an objective opinion. I'm going to let you know what I personally think. I am not being sponsored or anything by any of the companies that I have posted hauls or anything like that for. So my reviews are strictly my opinion. So whatever review that I give you all, or that I have been giving you all on any of these products that I've been using, it's not swayed in any way, shape, and or form. So I will report back to you all next week to give you all an update on how these nails did. And like I said, I wash my hands a lot, so that may skew my results. Like somebody else might have, I don't know what my results are going to be, but somebody else might have better results than myself because maybe they don't wash their hands as much. Because, you know, I have a dog and I take them in and out of the house, and I'm constantly like handling treats and dog food and stuff like that. So of course, before I handle my food and or like if I'm cooking or something, I'm gonna wash my hands before I touch anything else. Like as soon as I bring him in, I'm washing my hands, and he goes out at least 3 times throughout the day. So if I didn't have him, I wouldn't be washing my hands as much either. While I wash my hands a lot anyway, but if I did not have a dog, I can promise you I would not be washing my hands nearly as much. So, you know, somebody else's experience might be different from mine if they don't have to wash their hands constantly, if they don't have a pet. So my results might be skewed a little bit by that. But at the same time, that's a good thing, because if these nails hold up, then we know that it's a good product and that it's durable. If it doesn't, then that doesn't mean that you yourself should not try the product out and see if it works for you. But for right now, I like them. I think that they look cute. They went on like super easily. So that is it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.